So custom matches and actions, so UI automator and Espresso test recorder, so that we have seen. Sample code, so creates a sample Android app with various UI components, uh, and write Espresso test to cover different scenario. Use a mock web server. Okay, we will always use mock web server to simulate backend responses. Practice writing test for this one. So we will also say mock mock web server. Okay, mock web server. So that we'll also see. Resources for learning. Official Android developer document. Espresso training. Code labs and tutorials. Books like Android Espresso Revealed for depth. Espresso is a popular testing framework for Android app development. Okay, it allows developers to write concise and reliable UI test for Android. This one we don't require. So let's take this out. Espresso provides fluent and expressive way, making design. Okay, this we have already seen on the top. So I'm just taking out the redundant thing. Here are some key concepts and features of Espresso. UI testing. Okay, UI testing is obviously done. Espresso is specifically designed for UI testing. Okay, it allows specifically designed for UI testing. An Android application. It allows to simulate user actions, scrolling through. Okay, this don't want it. So let's take this out. Matches. Espresso provides a set of matches that you can use to find and interact with UI elements in your test. Matches allows you to specify criteria for selecting UI based on the property, ID, text, or visibility. This also we don't know. We don't want it. So let's take this up. Actions. Action represent user interactions with UI elements such as clicking. So that is obviously there, right? So let's take this out. Such as clicking, typing. Espresso provides a variety of built-in actions that in your case. Okay, that also we don't want. Assertions. Espresso allow you to verify to verify the state of UI elements and the behavior of using assertions. And the state of UI elements contains, is displayed, contains is enabled, among other things. Okay, Espresso automatically waits for the UI thread to become idle before performing actions. Or okay, waits for waits before performing actions, and sensor test and asynchronous operation or animations. Asynchronous thing or animations. Asynchronous thing. Okay. And a test recorder that allows you to create a splitter by recording your interactions with the app. This can be helpful to quickly generate test code and get started. Okay, test recorder is also there. Okay, let's see the commands. Here, simple example of Espresso test. @run with Android JUnit 4.class. So that will keep it as a annotation. Public class, some class name. @rule. The rule is again some name. Activity rule. New activity login. @test, because we are using JUnit. @test. Success on view. We saw that, right? On view with ID. Perform. Username edit text. Dot perform type text username with ID. Perform. Click. So let me write all these things down. With ID. Perform. Click. On view. Okay. R.ID username. That is all there is. Check. Check matches. Check matches is displayed. Once you learn one framework, all the other commands are almost the same in Selenium, Cypress, this one and everything. Is displayed, mock web server with ID, perform, click on view, check. Everything is the same with text. On view with text dot check matches is displayed. Okay. Few other things are basic UI interaction test. For example, at the rate rule. Again, let's also do at the rate rule. The rate rule and the rate test. And the rate run with Android run with Android test. Like that. Okay. Rule test perform click. Testing edit text input. Input text r dot input r dot id type text input matches with text. Perform action on item at position. Check matches is displayed on view with text. r dot id dot perform open dot perform click dot check matches is displayed. Testing dialogs with r dot id dot perform click dot check does not exist. With Espresso write concept on view with id dot perform click check. The core API is small, predictable, and easy to learn, and yet remains open for customization. Each time your test invokes onView, Espresso waits to perform the corresponding UI action or assertion until the following synchronization continues. The message queue does not have any message that Espresso needs to immediately process. Packages: Espresso Core, Espresso Web, idling resources, intents. These all are very repetitive, I think. Core, idling resources, matches, and assertions are intents, and then web. Espresso remote, location of multiprocessor content, visible for testing. Okay, over on create list view, find view by ID, row text, row.r.id, adapter, set adapter, visible for testing, row text, API components, view matches, view actions, view assertions, on view, view matches, on view, no, not to perform click. We'll do on view with ID dot perform of click. On view with ID or text of click dot check like that. Okay, that's it. Thanks.